Hi, I'd like to explain to you how to use pepakura. It's real easy. First, you have to load your file into pepakura. Here is our rarity. You can close this. You can rotate it with the right mouse button and zoom in or zoom out. What we have to do is you have to go to the settings and to the print and paper settings. Here you will have to put in your size what you want to print. I think what you want to print is A4, but measure the exact paper size. If it doesn't fit, just select Other and put in the size you want to have. I would use the bitmap print and the bitmap resolution at very high, so you can see all the cuts and folds very clearly. After you selected that, you want to disable the auto feature, which is selected normally, I think, because if you have it enabled, it will unfold it so all your pieces fit on one page, and then you get about 2 centimeter high model. You will disable it, and then you can push unfold, and you can scale your model the way you want it. You can have it your height, the height you want, and the scale you want. The easiest way is just to put in the number you want to have. For example, if I want to have it 1 meter, then it would be 1000 millimeter. So, and all the other measurements are scaled up too. After you've done this, I would let this on 50 millimeter. It's spacing around every page because the printer can't print to all the borders. And then this checkbox should be selected, so all your placing will avoid the borders, and then you press OK. It will calculate a little time, and then you will have very big pieces that are too big for all your parts. Let's space this a bit. You can zoom in using the scroll wheel, and now you have to arrange the parts. It's a lot easier if you use a bigger paper than the one you want to use, because you have more area where you can put it. But anyway, you can move pieces around using the left mouse button, and you have some tools up here where you can. The most important are the divide and connect faces feature and the rotate features and the move feature. But you can select these with right mouse button too. If you press right mouse button, you have select, rotate, and join and disjoin. So if you press join and disjoin, you can select any border and can cut them. You press the left mouse button, and now they are cut into 2 pieces. And if you go to select and move, you can now move this tile freely. With the middle mouse button, you can move your paper, so you can put it on a page. And now go to rotate, push one of the buttons, and then you can rotate the part freely around, and you can move it as well in the rotate mode, as long as you don't push any of the buttons. and you can fit it in so it fits good on one paper. And you will continue like that. So you go to join, disjoint faces. Sometimes there are invisible folds that you don't have to fold because they are very even, but you can cut in this place. So you can cut here, and you can move it again. Say, let's rotate it. This looks too big. It's close. Maybe a little more rotation. Yeah, it's okay. You see, this is the workflow. You go, you cut it into pieces one after the other, and for example, the free space here you can use for something you have later, maybe that piece. You can move this over there. Then you rotate it again. Whoops. And there you go. Yeah, this is the normal workflow I do. You do this with all your pieces until everything is nicely into place. You will make sure that there are no overlapping things. It's no problem if flaps are overlap, but normally there shouldn't be any overlapping. But sometimes there is a little, and then you should cut at that spot so you don't have anything overlapping in the printing. You see, it's very easy to put everything into place, and then you can view a print preview, and you will see what it will look like if you print it. And then you can print it on your printer, or if you want to go to the copy shop like I do, I use the export feature. So you choose export, and I do multi-files bitmap. So here it's stated it will export the pattern on one file per sheet. So you just click OK. You choose a folder where you put it and a name, and if you click Save Now, you will get one file per sheet, one bitmap. And because these files are very big after you have them, I would use a program like WinZip to size them down. So if you have something like this, let's see, like example, the file for my Luna, it had been 70 pages, and if you see all of them, the bitmaps have a size for about, I think, more than 2 gigabytes. So what you do is you use a program like 7-zip, and you can all put them in one zip file, and it will be about 1 or 2% of the original file size. So instead of having 2 gigabytes, you will have something like maybe 40 megabytes, which is a lot easier to handle. And with this data, you can then go to the copy shop and let's have it print all out. So I think that's all my workflow, how it's normally done by me. And so if you have any more questions now, just ask, and I will look how I can help you. Bye.